Hello dear students, in the last class we discussed how to make notes by either listening to or by reading a passage. So in this class I am going to read out a passage. You listen to it first, then you can also read the same passage which I have given you as a word file in our module. So after reading this passage you are expected to write notes according to the structure I told you in the last class. So let me read out the passage for you. It is now being increasingly accepted all over the world that environmentally sound policies make for good economies. The importance of this is accentuated by the fact that the biodiversity is unequally distributed and needs to be preserved wherever it is found. As in the economic world, the environmental resources are unequally distributed. There is a select club of G7 countries which are environmentally enriched, consisting of Brazil, Colombia, Madagascar, Congo, Guatemala, Indonesia, and Malaysia. The world's attention now is on protecting these pockets of biodiversity by emphasizing its economic importance and by suitably involving and compensating the local communities. There has also been a continuous attempt to bring in environmental concerns into economic calculations. The work being done in this area is important. For once growth takes into account the environmental effects, the paradigm for choice of projects will change. While looking at economic benefits flowing from environmental resources, it would be useful to look at two important sectors, pharmaceutical and agriculture. A large number of first-selling medicines have been extracted from plants. A large number of fast-selling medicines have been extracted from plants. It is important that Indian pharma companies like Ranbaxy, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories also get involved in looking at our biodiversity for new molecules. In agriculture too, a large number of high-yielding variety of seeds have been obtained by introducing genetic material from related species. When we destroy the forest, the valuable strains of diverse plants which can provide high-yielding varieties of food crop also get destroyed and the gene pool gets depleted. India too needs to protect its environmental resources. Okay, so you have listened to the paragraph now, this passage. Now try to make notes for it.